Hello guys, welcome back to Unleash.
I'm Nisha.
And I'm Anshu. In this video, we will be talking about what a beginner should have. Everything that you need to have under rupees 500. That is the major highlight of this video. That we started our kit with everything under 500. So that is how. And if you're a beginner, this is the right video for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, guys.
Yes.
We need to hit 500 as soon as possible.
Yeah. And so let's start. So the first must-have product that we have under rupees 500 is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This comes in a lot of shades and the texture is really amazing. We've applied it right now.
Yes.
And इसकी best part ये है कि इसमें बहुत सारे shades आते हैं. And the price for this foundation is only rupees 299. So this is like the smaller version of the bigger bottle.
Yeah.
And I think this is perfect to test it out. Like अगर आपको नहीं पता कि फाउंडेशन कैसा है, कवरेज कैसी होगी, सो दिस इज अ रियली नाइस फाउंडेशन. इसकी मीडियम टू बिल्डेबल कवरेज है
एंड फॉर द फैक्ट कि इसकी कवरेज उतनी हैवी नहीं है, सो इट आल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ बीबी क्रीम. Like if you just apply the foundation and you don't want anything on it, concealer वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाना है, so just go with the foundation and you're done.
Yes.
Literally you're done. मतलब it won't cover your blemishes, मतलब marks or anything, but it really acts as a BB cream.
Yeah, it gives a really nice finish, and like if you put on a light layer, then it acts as a BB cream, as she said.
Yeah.
And I think BB creams are really outdated right now because उसमें एक ही shade आता है and वो भी light होता है. तो and we know that India में इतने सारे shades हैं, like including us. We are from like a deeper skin tone, like duskier skin tone, so that doesn't suit us. So I think going for a lighter coverage foundation is much better because at least आपको shade तो मिलेगा उसमें.
Yes, and I don't know कि अभी भी like we are living in 2020 guys, and
2020 खत्म हो गया है.
हाँ 2021, oh my god, तो ये भी एक अलग problem है. So we are living in 21st century and अभी भी हमारे पास we don't have shades in BB cream. Come on guys.
Yeah.
मतलब if any brand is watching our video, guys, please come up with some good shades in your BB cream.
Right.
That is much needed in the
It's
market.
such a shame that एक सिंगल शेड लाइक तो सोच के भी इट्स सच अ ब्लंडर कि
Exactly.
लाइक हम सिस्टर्स हैं, हमारी शेड में डिफरेंस है.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this is a must buy in our. So the second item that we're going to talk about is the Lakme Insta Liner. We've been using it from 10
For
years.
years.
Yeah.
Years and
Years.
ages and years. I think यही है.
हाँ.
This is the ultimate. We have don't think कि हमने कुछ try नहीं करा. We have tried. But घूम फिरा के हम यही आ जाते हैं.
Yeah. And it comes in 4 shades. It comes in 4 shades and it retails for only rupees 120, which is like amazing. And the
Yeah,
quality
130.
is so
Sorry,
nice.
130.
130, yeah.
Yeah.
And Nykaa पे तो सेल चलती रहती है, तो I think कम में
100 rupees 99 में भी देखा है मैंने.
Yeah. So it comes in 4 shades. We have 2, blue and black. And I'm wearing the blue one right now.
And I'm wearing the black one. So we'll add a photo of us.
Photo. The color payoff is amazing and it lasts the entire day. It doesn't bleed.
Exactly, and it is not waterproof.
Yeah.
And for the fact it has a very जिसका brush है, that is
it's really
adjustable.
adjustable. Yeah. मतलब बहुत
If you
मोटा भी नहीं है.
if you want a मतलब मोटा version, I don't know if मतलब ऐसे में कैसे
It won't be visible. But इसका brush बहुत अच्छा है because it's not very thin and it's not very fat. It's like the perfect blend, like
Yeah.
of the both.
और 100 rupees में you get this
amount, yeah.
इतनी सारी bottle पूरे साल चलती है ये, please guys.
Yeah, because obviously we don't wear it every day. And even if you wear it every day, because college में तो हम रोज ही लगाते
कभी नहीं खत्म हुई
नहीं,
थी.
हाँ.
मतलब पूरे साल में नहीं खत्म
नहीं
हुई.
होता. And हम दोनों
लगाते थे उसी.
so which just proves that it is a must buy.
So continuing with the eye section only, this is the mascara. This is Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. I am in love with this one, and we have been using it for
5 years now, I guess. Yeah.
काफी सालों से.
Yeah.
ये all the products are used by us for many years.
After testing and trying a lot of other mascaras. And this one retails only for rupees 310. I think we all know that Maybelline is the best with mascaras. We have also tried the yellow one, and we have also tried the sensational lash sensation mascara, but we just love this one. We've been using it for so long, so this is a must buy, and this is the third product on our list.
On number 4, we have concealer.
Yes, and the concealer is PAC Take Cover Concealer. So we have used concealers by Maybelline, Wet n Wild. We also have the Wet n Wild one, but we chose this one on our list because it comes in a lot of shades, like even more than Maybelline Fit Me, which is amazing. Like PAC is an Indian company. It has like I think 35 to 40 shades, which is amazing because we all know that India में बहुत सारे shades हैं skin tone के, and PAC is doing a great job with all the shades.
And I feel PAC बहुत underrated है यार. We need to boost PAC, guys.
Yes, we really need to. And this retails for rupees 495. The quality is amazing, like amazing.
Actually,
Coverage is so good, quality is so good. It literally looks airbrushed.
exactly. Exactly. It literally
looks airbrushed.
hides your marks and everything.
Yeah, under eye circles, like everything.
Literally
It's flawless.
everything.
So if you're wanting a mascara and you're a beginner, like even if you're not a beginner, then this is a must-have.
On number 5, we have lipstick. This is Miss Claire's lipstick. What is it called?
It is a
Soft
soft
matte
matte
lip
lip cream, the iconic soft matte lip cream.
We love this lipstick. We have been using this for years, ages. सारे shade use कर लिए हैं, except the light ones. But we have used all the shades, and we swear on this one because this is the best. Because यहाँ पे भी use करते हैं, you can use it on your cheeks
Cheeks
also,
as a liquid blush.
and as well as your lip.
And as your lips, on your lips.
Yeah, so I just love the formula, the packaging,
Everything.
everything.
It's very amazing.
And also it smells very good.
So this is a dupe of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this one retails for rupees 295. It comes in like 30 shades.
Yeah,
The shade range is huge.
and you can get this in any market. मतलब सिर्फ
local
नायका
market.
पे भी आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको बल्कि मुझे लगता है ऑनलाइन कम मिलती है, ऑफलाइन ज्यादा मिलती है.
Offline price भी आपको कम मिल जाएगा.
हाँ. So this is the best lipstick, guys. Cream.
For a beginner, this is the best because it's not very drying. It's very comfortable. It's very light. पता भी नहीं चलता कुछ लगाया है.
Exactly, and this is the best for college going girls.
Yeah.
I mean, this acts as a lip balm, lip cream, lip tint, anything you call it. This is the best one. You should all try this one.
Yeah, and if you have this, you don't even need a blush. You just apply it on your cheeks and blend बहुत easily हो जाता है. And I think liquid blush looks much better than powder blush because वो बहुत ही natural लगता है. Powder blush
Exactly.
थोड़ा पता चलता है कि कुछ लगाया है. But like liquid blush, it looks flawless.
And just a hack
sun
that in all my videos and even in Isha's photos, all of us, both of us use this Miss Claire as the blush
Yeah.
because we are in love. We have been loving it, and I don't think we will stop loving it.
Yeah. It looks the item on our list is the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, and it retails only for rupees 160. I think this is really amazing for a beginner because
It is not at all heavy on the pocket.
Yeah.
Best
And-
for the college going girls.
Right. And
Not at all
it
heavy
does
on
a
the skin.
decent job, in
Yeah.
in mattifying your skin, and it's not very heavy.
Yeah.
It's very light coverage, like बहुत light coverage है, which is I think perfect for college and office going girls.
Yeah.
So I think we have mentioned all the basic products that a girl needs in her kit, and in the next part,
So we will be making a second part of this series. So keep an eye of it. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. We need to hit 500 as soon as possible.
yes, and in the second part we'll be talking about much upgraded makeup products.
Yeah.
Like this is the most basic version that a girl would need, like not just girl, any person would need, but gender neutral. And in the second part we'll be talking about like an upgraded version, like
Eyeshadows and
highlighter,
lipsticks, highlighter.
something that you would need after you're done with all this. We'll see you next time, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. My
My
Instagram
Instagram
is
is
99_Isha.
And mine is Anshubi25. I make reels every day, literally alternative day, every day. That is how I am going.
And we'll also be listing all the products in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.